Hey everybody, this is Paddy the Poet. I just wanted to help some people out. Um, as a writer, a poet, and a blogger, I know how writer's block can happen. I can be frustrated by it as well. I just wanted to give you a little trick that I use to break out of that. It works for some, it may not work for others. Um, Basically, the object is you need to stick to it. So what you do is you take pick your subject if you want to write about love or you want to write a story about the circus. Um, Set a timer for 1 minute and sit down and take your topic and for 1 minute write down everything that you can think of that relates to that topic. Um, so animals. For the circus, it'd be elephants and giraffes and trainer and um, clowns and blah blah blah. So same with love. For poetry, I use it for poetry a lot. I'll pick a topic such as love or recovery or whatever, and I'll time myself for a minute and I'll write down everything I can think of under that topic. And honestly, you'd be surprised a lot of times because you can add sentences, short sentences in between the words a lot of times after you're done writing down the information from that topic or subtopics, and you might be surprised what you have. You might have your entire story right there, just adding little pieces to it. So that's just a helpful hint to get you through writer's block when it does happen. It does happen. I get it often, and sometimes it's just stagnant and being able to sit down, make myself sit down and write. Um, so self-motivation is part of that as well. But when you do finally get yourself to sit down and write, if you start feeling like you're having a block or you're having, you know, problems finding ideas or information associated with maybe something you feel like you want to write about, um, try that little trick. It works. If it doesn't work the first couple times, just keep at it. It works for me. And like I said, after a while, you'll just have to add little pieces in between and it'll pretty much write your story for you. So I hope that helped. You can check out my blog at paddytheblogger.com. I got some of my poetry, some of my just general writings. Um, and you can also check my Paddy the Poet Facebook and Instagram and Twitter at PattyCakes16. Have a great day, everybody. Be safe.